Every day is a new opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become better than yesterday. Learning something new, like English, may seem tough at first. But remember, even the tallest trees were once tiny seeds. Start with simple words. Write them down. Say them out loud. Feel the power of progress with every step. Motivation is the key. When you believe in yourself, no goal is too big. Use these simple phrases every day. Let them guide you, inspire you, and push you forward. Keep practicing, keep believing, and watch yourself grow. Remember, learning English is not just about language. It's about discovering your potential. Welcome back, fellas. Today, we're going to learn English through a short and inspiring story. Simple English, big motivation. Let's get started. Our story begins with a young person who dreams of improving their life but doesn't know where to start. Learning English seemed tough, but they took the first step. Step by step, they started learning. Just like you, they began with simple phrases. I believe in myself. I can do it. Small actions lead to big changes. There were challenges, of course, but every time they felt like giving up, they reminded themselves of their goal: to grow, to learn, to succeed. And look at them now. Confidence, fluency, and the joy of achieving something great. This is what happens when you believe in yourself. So fellas, start your journey today. Practice these simple sentences. Stay motivated and take one step at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time.